This is a GMK6400 with 120 foot of love, 2017. So this is, I'm going to start with this one. What you do is turn the key on. It's going to show this little button lit up. Push that button, see if there's any codes popping up. You're going to come into, push that button right there. Come to this, click this, go to your working chart. Alright, push that button. You go up and down with this for your counterweights when you use a knob. Once you get to set, push that button again. You got your outriggers. You got A, B, C, and D, and E. There's a little side panel right here that shows you. Alright. Click that and choose it, and then once it's chosen, you move on down 3 parts line. Click that, it's got to be lit up for you to change it. Your codes, push that. See, right now I'm on 5912, which is for this one. When you change your codes, it switches. That goes to 49, and you go all the way. It changes the love, everything. Well, whatever one you're running, you click. That, you click this. You set your boom over here. Well, the boom angle you set at, really don't need to program all that shit in. Good for 21 tons, the way I'm set up. 21.5 tons. After you get done, hit enter. Enter again to confirm it. These are your boom sections. Right now I'm at 88%, 25.2 meters. I'm at my luffer angle 26.4, 37 meters of love, 80.4 boom angle. My swing 3.7. My radius 25.7 meters for 21.5 tons. Got 1.6 tons on the hook. Because I got my block, 3 parts line, and the squatter bar with the rigging. So, like I said, conform it like that, and then your load charts. Click this one. That gives you your load charts. Hit that button to go back. That's your working mode. That's your home, working mode screen. Click this one. See if it shows any codes up. You click the hammer on the screwdriver. You got to have the pin for that. I don't, so I'm gonna get into that. But if you have any little codes popping up right here, you hit this button right here and it erases them. This one now, when you have your normal, when you don't have the luffer on it, you use this one. When you have the bat wings, you push this. Your outrigger configuration, you want to change it. If you want to lift it up in the cab or lower it, it's all right here. Scope it in, fold it up. The housing lock. I don't have my housing lock because I'm missing the pin. If you did, that's where you go to get to it. You got your leveling 1%, 5%. This is your wind meter. These are your gauges. Now you can tell you got 99% fuel. Auxiliary. battery, all that self-explanatory. You go here, you click this one, you get your speeds. You want to set your speed with your luff, your swing, everything's right there. Hit that button to go back. You got, let's go back here again. You got your winch mode. Tells you self-explanatory. You can adjust your lighting. You hold that. You use this knob to turn it up. Hit enter. You're good. That button go back. Set your limiters. Now this is your working screen for your left one. This is the working mode. This is a scope mode. That's your rigging mode. So, watch, I'm going to go to rigging mode. I'm at luff mode. And you see how you can only pick up 4 feet. I'm at 4 tons in rigging mode. In rigging mode, you got to, I'm in scope mode. You can only pick up 4 tons in scope mode. You got to set your luff about 12. The minimum's 12. So, it's got to be in this green. That's your wind monitor, your boom angle for your main boom, queen's post, your luffing angle. I'll go back here. Now these are your switches. You got your swing, it unlocks, locks. Your winch, which is your luffer. Your luff right now. Click it, turns on, turns off. This tilts your cab back. This is left down, left up. Swing left, swing right. Your scope. Your boom up, boom down. Your main winch. Got your AC down here on the bottom. So whenever you're in the scope mode, you get to right angle. You're supposed to hit this button right here, and then you set your angles right here. You set your limiters right here, and then you turn this key, and they all light up green. But I'm not in that mode, so I'm already scoped out. Cut the key on to the on position. You hit start. Push that down and hit start. This tilts your lights right here. Your windshield wipers. Your other lights. Just control your lights on the boom. You got some lights in the back here. You got your radio, your speakers. Such and such. Now you go here. Click this. You got free codes. Go in here and, instead of computer, you save them, you acknowledge them, and you're good to go. Let's say this is your boom angle. You always want your boom angle to be like 80.5 or up whenever you scope out. And when you scope out, your luffer will adjust on its own. Once you set your luff, you scope out. You just scope out and the luff will go off on its own, like click, up, so on and so forth. You got your camera, watch your drums. It's a little bit of a rundown of the GMK6400 2017.